Hey guys, it's Hunter, and today I'm going to be throwing this paper airplane off of a 4-story roof. Give him a look at that. Give him a look at that.
It's a 3-story roof, honey.
No, it's not.
We're in the Keys, by the way. Yeah, how's your weekend going? Yeah.
Okay. This is on September 14th. I'm probably going to upload it tomorrow. But here we go.
You always upload a day after. It's so annoying.
Here, let me stick.
Hunter, you're throwing black.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, drop it.
Whoa! There it goes. Oh my gosh! Wait, let me see it. Wait.
It's not over. It's not over.
Yeah, it did. There's the paper airplane right there. I hope you guys got that because it went, and then flew there, and it got on the porch. I hope Dylan got that. That's it. Do 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 do. Oh, that's a fish. Do 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 do. That's it.